And we have gotten lots of questions about when the weather is finally going to make that turn into the fall. Well, we're not quite there, at least on the calendar, because autumn or fall officially starts on September 22nd, so we're a few days away. But our friends across the Pacific Northwest, well, they're going to be the first ones to get that change. We are waiting a cold front that comes with a low pressure system, and this system will continue to bring wet weather moving across the Pacific Northwest over to the Northern Rockies all throughout the weekend. So yes, the cooler temperatures are coming ahead, but first we're going to have to deal with those showers, maybe even a few snow or a few snowflakes across the slightly higher elevations. Now, across the higher elevations, you are definitely going to get some snow, so make sure you're ready for it. Make sure you bring all that gear out, as you will likely need it all throughout the weekend. Of course, after the cold front, make sure you stay aware, because we are still expecting conditions to remain rather dry, especially across the Rockies, where we can expect red flag warnings to stay put. Of course, the high fire risk to stay put all throughout the weekend. Across the Southeast, well, we have the remnants of Nicholas. Yes, the same Nicholas that made landfall in Texas earlier in the week. Well, we're still expecting the remnants to bring the chance for showers. The ground is well saturated all across the Southeast, so any little rain shower will cause some flooding. Moving over to the tropics now, we're watching two tropical waves way out there, all across the eastern Atlantic, especially closer to Africa. Yes, there is another wave in between the Caribbean and Africa, but this one seems to be staying over water. Of course, we will remain monitoring this system very closely all throughout the weekend and bringing the latest here in Weather and Radar USA. Now, closer to home, we do have a newly formed tropical storm. It's Odette. Odette is also expected to stay mainly over water, not affect any land across the US or southeastern Canada throughout the weekend, but we are expecting lots of wave action. Yes, rough surf, and of course that high risk for rip currents all along the northeastern coastal region, extending to southeastern Canada. So make sure you stay aware, especially if you had plans to head over to the beach. Well, you're going to definitely notice those strong waves. In fact, waves could reach up to 9 feet across parts of coastal Massachusetts, going into Maine, and of course southeastern Canada, as the system becomes extratropical, expanding its wind field, and this will start to push more water and will increase the wave action across the area. If you have any questions about how the weather is going to be specifically in your city, well, make sure you download our app. It's free, Weather and Radar USA. You can catch any news on the forecast there, and of course all the forecasts that our very own meteorologists write all throughout the weekend. If you live in the Central Plains, make sure you stay hydrated. The temperatures will continue to be very hot.